Hi, I'm Anurag Jain. Guys, this is the first lecture of income tax. In this lecture, we will learn some basic concepts related to tax, like what is tax, what are the constitutional powers of government to impose taxes, why government impose taxes, what are direct taxes and indirect taxes, what are slab rate of taxation and flat rate of taxation, right? So first of all, what is tax? Guys, the term tax is not new for any one of us. We all pay taxes either directly or indirectly, either in one form or in another form. Like, like when we earn income beyond a certain level, we pay income tax. When we go to certain restaurant, we pay VAT and service tax on the price of food we purchase. For traveling on certain roads, we pay toll tax. For certain entertainment activities, we have to pay entertainment tax. Like when we watch movie in cinema or theater, we have to pay entertainment tax on the price of that ticket, right? On our house, we pay property tax. So basically, we all are paying taxes either knowingly or unknowingly, right? Technically, tax can be defined as financial charge. Here the term financial means payable in the form of money, and charge means enforceable by appropriate government. Alright, tax can be defined as the financial charge on the income, property or certain activities of a person. Activities like production or manufacturing of certain goods on which we have to pay excise duty, sale or purchase of certain goods on which we have to pay sales tax or VAT, taking or providing certain services on which we have to pay service tax, import or export of certain goods on which we have to pay custom duty, right? This is only a small list. We have to pay tax on other activities also, right? Now, three things are very clear. First one, today in India, any kind of tax is payable only in the form of money. We have to pay taxes only in the form of money. Tax is not a donation or voluntary contribution. We have to pay the taxes as per law. We don't have any choice in that, right? Tax is neither a donation from our side to the government nor our voluntary contribution. We shall pay the taxes. We have to pay the taxes as per the law. Only government can impose taxes. No one else except government can levy, can impose taxes. Alright. Now the question is, from where governments get the power to impose taxes? And on which matters government can impose taxes? Right? Guys, India is a free country. No king, no queen to direct how to administer India. Right? Therefore, for proper management and administration of India, a rule book is created, which is known as Constitution of India. Constitution of India. In short, you will get COI in my notes, right? Constitution of India. It is the supreme document which shall be followed by every person, by every authority in India, and even by governments, right? In India, no one can do any act beyond the scope of Constitution of India. Further, in India, we people elect government at two levels. At central level, we elect central government, also known as union government. Central government is responsible for the administration and management of entire India. At state level, we people elect state governments, right? State governments are responsible for administration and management of their respective states. These governments get administrative and legislative power, means power to make laws, from Constitution of India. Now, three things are very clear. First one, only government have the power to create laws. Generally, central government can create laws on those matters which affect entire India. State government can create laws on those matters which affect their respective state only. Government can create laws only as per the provisions of Constitution of India. They cannot create laws outside the provisions of, outside the scope of Constitution of India. In other words, we can say that all the laws created by a government shall be constitutional. Right? Now, the Constitution of India through Schedule 7 has divided all the law-making powers in three lists. List 1, which is known as Union List or also Central List. List 2, which is known as State List. And List 3, which is known as Concurrent List. Right? Schedule 7 to Constitution of India has divided all the law-making powers in three different lists. List 1 known as Central List or Union List. List 2 known as Concurrent List, State List, and List 3 known as Concurrent List. Matters specified in these lists are in the form of entries like entry 1, entry 2, entry 3, right? So on. Now, Union List contains only those matters on which only central government has the power to create laws. State List contains only those matters on which only state government has the power to create laws. Concurrent List contains those matters on which both central government as well as state government can create laws. Right? Now, according to Article 265 of Constitution of India, no tax of any nature can be levied or collected by any government except with the proper authority of law. Right? Thus, to impose taxes on any matter, government shall create proper law in that regard. So, by creating laws, central government can impose taxes only on those matters which are specified in List 1 of Schedule 7 to Constitution of India. State government can impose taxes only on those matters which are specified in List 2 of Schedule 7 to Constitution of India. Right? Now, let me show you tax related entries of List 1, that is Central List.